Hi Cancer, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 8th of September to the 15th of September. I'm going to look at the energies that are in front of me. I have taken out your cards, very clear cut cards and good combinations of major arcana. So basically big energies are going to affect you at this time. The Chariot and the Moon. Chariot also signifies Cancer. So Chariot and the Moon in this time period is showing that you are going to take risk in an uncertain environment. It is also telling us to light a lamp in the darkness. It is telling you to light a light in the darkness. It is asking you to move forward with conviction and focus. In a time of uncertainty, you are going to achieve success in terms of your work or in terms of your love life, your living situation, whatever is on your mind, Cancer, in this time period. And this is for the Cancer collective. This is for the Cancer Sun, Moon and Rising and Venus sign, or people having Cancer in their chart. So they are going through some uncertainty, going through some darkness, going through some big changes. And if you make up your mind and focus and lighten up your environment with optimism. How do you lighten up your environment? You do it with optimism, you do it with conviction and focus. When you do that, you will be able to move towards your wishes triumphantly. So what's happening in your life right now is the Ten of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. So something is ending regarding your long-term situation. Some of you have gone through this devil energy. Some of your own decisions were your mistakes. Some of you had a relationship that was pulling you down. There was a situation that kept you entrapped, and that is over now. So there is a devil situation that is going to be over for you. Devil can mean materialistic circumstances. It can mean marriage to someone, or tie-ups with some person as partner, and it keeps you chained and it keeps you at a lower level. So that Ten of Swords and Ten of Pentacles can only mean one thing, that it is ending. That long-term situation, that karmic ending is happening in your life right now. The star energy is coming in to tell you that your situation is going for the better. For some of you, this can be addictions which were troubling you. The addictions are getting over. With the star, you can get out of this energy of lower self that moves into some kind of lowness or mediocrity. That is getting over. And with the star, optimism is coming back, because the Chariot and the Moon is, sometimes the environment is directionless. It's not giving you the correct direction. It is making you somehow powerless. But you have reached a position, or you will be reaching a position where things will become favorable for you. So ultimately your Chariot will roll towards triumph. And with the star energy, it is telling you that quickly a situation is over and you will be landing into some kind of brightness, and the stars will guide you in this time period. So in your personal life, what is happening is the Two of Pentacles. You were trying to make up your mind. You were hesitating regarding two people, or you were hesitating regarding a decision concerning a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. And with the World card, there is an upgrade happening in that. So a transformation, change, upgrade, relocation, travel with this person is happening in your life. Some of you are changing your location. Some of you are changing your organization. Some of you are changing your world in this time period. And the world change can mean big changes in life with a person. Some of you are going towards marriage, some of you are breaking a marriage for your own benefit. So justice is underlying situation at this time. So something will become formal in your life. Some of you are receiving separation orders, some of you are getting divorce orders, some of you are getting married, getting into a marital time that not. So basically something is becoming formal. It can be a job as well. Some of you are getting a new contract or new work in this time period. With the Six of Pentacles in your professional sphere, some of you are being granted loan, compensation, money help is coming in. Suddenly wealth will be coming in towards you. With the Wheel of Fortune and the Fool card, what is happening is your destiny is changing and you have to grab that opportunity, start that new start in your life about which you don't know. So the adventure has to be taken, the decision has to be taken to embrace a new life in this time period. It could be a life away from someone, it could be a life separated from someone, it could be a new life that you are choosing, it could be a new job that you are choosing, it could be a new contract that is coming in about which you don't know whether it will be good or bad. So basically your there is some crazy idea that is pulling you or pushing you forward. You don't know the ending, whether it will be good or bad, we don't know. The Wheel of Fortune and the Fool is like it will take you towards a big long journey from zero to the end. So basically it is a new start and we always hope for a positive outcome because both the cards are in the upright. So your outcome in this week, Cancer, is the Emperor and the Temperance. Some of you are becoming stable. Some of you are getting stability in your life, whether it is your health, whether it is your work, whether it is your personal life. You are going to play a role of the father, the person who is in charge. But with Temperance, it is saying that take control of your home, house, job, work. Success is coming to you, but in moderation. And everything will be in moderation. You will find the middle path in situations where the things were not in your favor. So ultimately you will take some steps. Those steps are difficult or risky, but you are landing into a situation which is much more smooth. And it is going to give you stability, it is going to give you success in moderation. So don't try to control anything in this time period. Things are going to happen on their own and your environment is showing some uncertainty and powerlessness, but very soon things are going to become formal. So you could be expecting something in this time period. So the Sun card is in obstacle position. So some of you could be feeling as if there is a darkness even when good things are happening, or you are not enjoying your success, or you will not feel that vitality soon. That is what I am feeling. So there is going to be an obstacle in your life, which is sometimes, you know, our own doing. We do not have this, we do not heal from the past and then we go into a new future which is also ridden with doubts. So basically angels are saying that heal and success will come to you. Healing and success is going to be hand in hand. This Sun card in your troubled position is telling us that you could be feeling a little dimmed in this time period. Father of Wands, however, is, or King of Wands, however, is your advantage. And this is telling us that a fire sign could be of great help, or you will be, whatever the new endeavor is, whatever the new passion is, you will very soon become enthusiastic regarding that. And this new situation will give you proper fuel and fire to succeed. So whatever you are wanting to do, whether it is a creation, whether it is a new idea, new innovation, Father of Wands energy will give you the power to do so and achieve it. So it's a very good energy of success. Even Sun in obstacle means good situations are going to come to you. Whether you enjoy it or don't enjoy it, it's up to you. But good situations, fiery situations, success, clarity, and power is going to come back to you. If you do not have a job, a new job could be coming in. If you do not have a contract yet in your hand, the contract will come in. You just have to negotiate well. That is what angels are saying. So you will get some advice, dedication, counseling in this time period. You are expecting a child maybe in this time period, or you are expecting a new thing in your life. You will be advised for that. An ending of a wedding can happen, or a wedding can take place and an old situation will be over, or in a wedding situation there is some problem, there will be some concern. However, money wise, sudden wealth could be coming to you. So there is a sudden wealth situation for Cancer. So let's see your love or relationship cards in this time period. A wedding is possible, or some situation around you has marriage as the core matter, and separation is on the horizon. So time apart from your partner is on the horizon. It is asking you to love yourself first. Your self-respect will make you more attractive to anyone you are wanting to attract. So basically, in this time period, there could be separation, there could be a big change. Not for everyone, but for some of you are finishing cycles with an old partner. Some of you are going to go for new partners. Some of you are going to end one job. Some of you are going for a new job. So there is a big change. You are feeling a bit powerless, but ultimately stability will come to you. Some of you are taking the role of a father in this time period, or the person who is the provider or who fixes the rules in the house. So you are going to take that role. So let's read out your advice card from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle. Hold the space. It's the Druid card. It tells you hold things together. Don't make any sudden moves or changes. Stand strong, knowing you are where you are supposed to be. The Druid were the ancient wise ones of the British Isles. They had a deep connection with the earth, the sun, and the moon. So when the Druid card appears in a reading, you are being guided to dig deep within and hold your station. If you are wondering what to do next, or have a sense of anxiety about what is unfolding in your life, it's time to shift your perceptions and move back to a state of trust. Don't change your plans or don't do anything drastic. Just trust in the process and let everything happen as it needs to before taking any more steps. Think of a tree. It has strong roots, yet continues to grow and bear fruit. Your life will be a reflection of this at this time. So this is what I had for you, Cancer. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe and share this reading with others. If you have anything to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues in their life, you can contact me through the email ID in the description box for a personal reading. However, these readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so decide and then contact me. People who want to donate to the channel, please click the super thanks icon just below this video. And people who want to look at memberships, just look at it through the description box. There is the email there is the membership link. You can look at it, donate to the channel or become a part of it, and then you can write to me through the email ID in the description box mentioning your name and your requirement and your membership position. Thank you so much for listening to this reading. I wish you all the best, Cancerians. Bye bye.